Good afternoon, girls. Let us see the problem number 3 in internal reconstruction. This is nothing but in the second problem we have done by changing the problem internally by changing the face value of the shares, because I have been telling you in internal reconstruction nothing but as the company is not in a position to continue, the directors will be puzzled over how to continue the company. So in the second case problem, we have seen that the problem will be taken into consideration by considering the value of the shares to be reduced by for 10 rupees to 7 rupees, for 10 rupees to 6 rupees, like that. So in the third problem, let us see the problem with the help of share premium reserve, how to take advantage of this reserve which is kept in the problem. So here goes the problem. Following the series of trading and losses, resolved to reduce its capital to 20,000 paid up shares of rupees 5 and to eliminate its share premium account. So the company has decided to reduce the face value of 20,000 fully paid shares into rupees 5 each, and they asked you to make use of a share premium account. The company's balance sheet prior to implementation he has given, before implementation he has given. So here goes like share capital of 20,000 fully paid shares of rupees 10 each, share premium, creditors, bank overdrafts. Coming to this one, asset side, goodwill, land and buildings, plant and machinery, stock, debtors and profit and loss account. Let us see what are the other adjustments as far as this problem is concerned. So coming to here, it was resolved to apply the sum available under the particular scheme, to write off the goodwill account, to write off the debit balances of profit and loss account, to reduce the book values of the assets, land and building 16,800, plant and machinery 26,800, stock, and to provide a depreciate 5% debt reserve on book value of the debtors, show journal entries and balance sheet. Here also, girl, the problem is nothing but first journal entries should be passed. Always internal reconstruction will be held up with maximum 3 to 4 or minimum entries only. Nothing to worry, girls. So what is the first resolution they have taken? That the equity share of value rupees 10 be reduced to rupees 5. How many shares there was in the problem continuing means 20,000 fully paid shares of rupees 10 each, and the company decided to reduce this particular to 5 rupees. So as earlier problem, I told you already the journal entry, equity share capital account within brackets rupees 10 means previous equity share capital account rupees 10, out debit amount rupees 2 lakhs, to equity share capital account rupee within brackets rupees 5. If for your convenience, even I may post these journal entries to you girls. So the first journal entry will be going like, first one is equity capital account within brackets, this is of rupees 10, that is 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each means 2 lakhs, to equity share capital account. What is this equity share capital, girls? This equity share capital is prior to internal reconstruction, previous one. This is after internal reconstruction, that is equity share capital account within brackets of rupees 5 each. So 20,000 shares of rupees 5 each means that is 1 lakh. So where to post this extra 1 lakh? To reconstruction account. So the first entry will be equity share capital account debtor of rupees 10 each 2 lakhs, to equity share capital account of rupees 5 each, outer column 1 lakh, to reconstruction account 1 lakh. The narration you can write like being equity share capital reduced by rupees 5 per share. This will be your narration. And what is the next journal entry, girls? In the share problem, he has given to use the share premium account. So to transfer this share premium, which shows a balance of rupees 20,000 in the given balance sheet, to transfer to reconstruction, means he asked you to resolve or to eliminate this share premium account. So the next entry, second entry will be equity not share premium reserve account debtor to reconstruction account. What is the value, girls? This is value of rupees 20,000. This is 20,000. Narration being equity share premium account transfer to reconstruction. And what is the third entry? Here he has given the adjustment of assets and liabilities. Here again, reconstruction credit is 1 lakh and reconstruction debit 20,000 is there. So obviously this 1,20,000 reconstruction credit is there. So we are using now the funds of reconstruction for company's sake. So what we are supposed to do, take this reconstruction 1 lakh and take this reconstruction 20,000 and make use to wipe off the particular assets which are revalued, which is there given in the problem. So to use the funds which are there in credit, we need to debit. So that is the reason next entry must be reconstruction account debtor. What is the amount available, girls? That is 1,20,000. To goodwill, he asked you to wipe off goodwill account. So to goodwill account, what is the value, girls? Goodwill 40,000 given in the problem. Next he asked you to cancel to profit and loss. So whatever he has given the values in the problem to 20,000, and he has asked to revise the assets also. Here in this problem you can see he has given certain values to reduce the book values of assets from the following amounts. Land and buildings 16,800 to land and buildings 16,800 he has given, and he asked for plant and machinery. To plant and machinery he has given 26,800, and the next one to stock he has given 13,440, girls. So to stock 13,440, and he has asked you to create a bad debt reserve to provision for bad debts. At the rate, he asked you to create 10% on debtors. Debtors was given 29,600. So the amount is 2,960. So you can observe that 40,000, 20,000, 16,800, 26,800, 13,440 and 2,960. So with this we have completed the entries part. The last entry narration you can write, being reconstruction implemented as per scheme. So here you need to write being reconstruction used as per the company scheme. So this is how you can use the funds. Next, coming to, he has asked as usual for the balance sheet, rough balance sheet. How to draw this particular balance sheet means we'll see. Open balance sheet. This is liability side and this is asset side. So out of this, as usual, write first the equity share capital. So coming to equity share capital is 20,000 shares at the rate of 5 each. So that comes to 1 lakh only. Next one, what are there in here in this particular problem means you can observe, girls, we have used the share premium. So leftover are creditors and bank overdraft. So creditors and bank OD. What is the amount of creditors, girls, here in this particular problem? 24,800 and bank overdraft 29,200. So as per the agreement we have entered these two, creditors and bank overdraft. Coming to the asset side. Asset side, what are the leftover assets means he has given you stock, land and buildings. Straight away he has given the value of rupees, how much he has given? So out of the land and buildings 64,800, he asked to reduce 16,800. So what is the land and buildings amount, girls? Out of 64,800, he asked to deduct 16,000. So that comes to rupees 40,000. Next, plant and machinery. What is the value of plant and machinery? Actually 82,800. He asked to reduce 26,800. So that comes to rupees 56,000. So these were the fixed assets actually. Coming to stock. Current assets. Stock, how much it has given in the problem? 36,800. He asked to deduct 13,440 rupees. So the value of the stock will be 23,360. Next, coming to debtors. So the value of debtors is 29,600, out of which 10% he asked you to create RBD, reserve for doubtful debts, that is 2,960. Out of 29,600, if you deduct 2,960, the value will be 26,640. So what is remained, girls? We have posted all this. Out of the given accounts, goodwill is written off, land and buildings, plant and machinery, stock debtors were shown, profit and loss account we have it. Just to make a total of this, girls, you will be getting the balance sheet of the revised after an internal reconstruction. You will get a balance of 1,54,000. 1,54,000. So with this, we have completed even problem number 3, girls. Thank you.